Sorry I'm late, I was back there finishing getting laid. I had to cross the road to get here, so I guess that answers that question, right? So, before I get started though, I just want to say that I don't find ducks funny at all. Not at all, it's a bunch of quackheads. But if you can find that bear, I got a quack he can put his tongue into. So I bet you're wondering about me and what I am. Well, I mean, I'm half man, half chicken. I identify as a chick, though. You know, mostly for the sports. Yeah, I'm a goalie. I'm a chicken tender. Yeah, and I know you say I might look like a rooster, but like I said, I do identify as a chick. So, yeah, my dad was in the military. He was a colonel. Yeah, my mom, she died shortly after I died. Or she died shortly after I was born. She died in a fire. Yeah, it was delicious. We had a shake and bake wake. But I did. I told, even though I look like this, I had a pretty normal childhood, just a little bit different. But I remember in my bedroom, I used to sneak KFC coupons under my mattress, and the sexy legs and breasts, and the greasy boxes. You should have seen my socks. There was regular and extra crispy.